You know what? You can explore art from different countries and culture while you are traveling. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Dipakshi and I create DIY videos related to fashion, jewelry, accessories and sometimes cartoon. And you are most welcome in this brand new episode of Art Knowledge, in which I am going to talk about 10 most artistic cities in this world. So without wasting much time, let's just go and watch this video. But before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, tell us what you experience in the comment section below, and do share these amazing videos and ideas with your friends and family members. So the city number 1 is Vienna. Vienna is one of the most known Europe city, जो कि बहुत art lovers के लिए one of their favorite destination मानी जाती है. Apart from that, recently जो royal family ने पिछले 600 years में जितनी भी उन्होंने art collections की थी, उसको पूरे city में as a display लगा दिया गया है, जिससे वो art display जो है art city की आर्टिस्टिक कल्चर को और एनहेंस करती है, प्लस उसके अमेजिंग म्यूजियम्स तो हैं ही. Well, we all know that Europe is a hub of Renaissance art, which is clearly shown its different cities and countries, and that's why जो मेरी अगली city है 10 most artistic cities in the world में, that is also from Europe, which is Rome, Italy. If you are a Renaissance art lover, then this is one of the place you should visit, because यहाँ पे बहुत सारी ऐसी गैलरीज हैं जहाँ पूरा दिन सिर्फ रेजोनेंस आर्ट को एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. नॉट ओनली दैट, चैपल्स and their architecture is also very artistic. You will just mesmerize with the way they predict their artwork and show it to you in a different kind of colors and cultures. That's why I will suggest you to visit Rome if you're really looking for some great artwork. Along with that, their chapels and their street arts. Street artists are also very famous for their artwork. See, I told you now, Europe is literally a hub for art lovers, and that's why my next city on my list is also from Europe, which is London. We all know that London has some of the really great artists, and they have really classy and royal kind of architecture all over the city. Along with that, there are so many museums which you can visit. And if you're not satisfied that as well, you can go to the streets to explore more about the urban art which they have on their streets, and they look amazing. Amazing thing I like about London is that you can visit their museums without paying anything. It is like free of cost. If you're an art lover, just go to visit the museum and they won't even charge a penny from you. That is something really amazing. I am definitely not feeling guilty to announce my 4th city, which is also from Europe, which is Paris and France. Let's be very honest, anyone who's an art lover, their tour to artistic place is incomplete without visiting Paris. And that's why this is in my list for sure. You know what? The Louvre Museum in Paris, France has more than 3,500 masterpieces which you can explore and watch, and I'm pretty sure you can spend your whole day and a whole week just to visit these museums, and this is one of those known museums which you should visit when you go to Paris. There is this another museum as well, which is named as d'Orsay Museum. If you are somebody who is interested to witness the Impressionist or Post-Impressionist art, then you must visit this museum, because this place is treasure for all those art lovers. And don't forget the street art, which you can find anywhere on the streets of Paris, because that whole city itself is an art. So the next city on my list is Florence, which is the capital of Italy, and no doubt it will never going to disappoint you with its amazing art and culture. Plus it has vast galleries and vast museums which you can spend your whole days watching and exploring such museums. Along with that, don't miss amazing architecture like the Birth of Venice, just to explore more art in Italy. Finally, I'm out of Europe and moving on to next destination, which is Berlin, Germany. In this you can of course visit so many galleries and museums, but don't forget the street art. But you know what is the fun fact about this city is, it is their district. Yes, you heard it right. They have literally devoted a whole district full of art and antiques for art lovers. They call it a museum island. Sounds really amazing, like you can spend your hours, days and years just to explore that whole district. This is something really amazing. So if ever you wish to visit Berlin, don't forget to visit the museum island, which going to be literally, I hope, going to be a treat to your eyes. My next destination is San Francisco, where you can find a piece of contemporary art, pop art, wooden art. Like, it is perfect combination of different kind of culture and different kind of artwork. So their museums have a lot to offer, I think, and this is one of the greatest thing, because you'll get so many art forms and so many kind of artwork and antiques on a one place. This is something really amazing. And that's not all. If you want to explore the street art, all you need to do is take a tour to a city and move around the streets of San Francisco, and I'm pretty sure you're going to explore some really amazing art forms and wall arts and graffiti arts all over the city, which is really amazing. So the next city is Valencia, Spain, which will going to attract you by their amazing art and science architecture, and it recently become one of the major destination for art lovers. Along with that, they have this amazing art festival, street art festival to be precise, in April, which they call Fellas, and in which they display different kind of art forms on streets and show their artwork. Like, if you want to visit some really amazing street artwork, you must visit Valencia, Spain during the month of April, so you can explore the whole festival full of art and culture. Well, how I can forget this city? This is the most loved city in the world. Any guesses? New York City. Well, New York City, Manhattan has some of the really amazing museums which you should visit, and here I'm dropping some of the hints which you can visit, which is Empire State Building and Metropolitan Museum, which is one of the known museum in this world. Along with, if you want to explore the architecture, then we all know the Statue of Liberty is known for its architecture. In this amazing museums in New York City offers different kind of art forms, which include modernization, modern art, contemporary art, impressionist art, and apart from that, their interior speaks for itself, their artwork speaks for itself. But along with that, don't forget to visit the Met Museum, which includes artwork and culture from different eras, how it evolved in years, and how people have showcased their art in different kinds of work. So these are some of the museums along with street art of New York. You're going to love this city for its specific and very unique artwork. So past few years, Hong Kong rises as a city filled with art for all the art lovers, their art destination in Asia, because of which they are aggressively working on their museums and their antiques and their artwork, their galleries, to improve their city as an artistic city, plus draw the attention of travelers, because most of the travelers just love traveling along, learning something new and exploring something artistic on their way. So I just hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe to my channel, tell us what you experience in the comment section below, and I hope you're going to explore more cities soon. And if you come across some of the cities and you'll be like, Dipakshi, you haven't mentioned these as well, please do tell me in the comment section below. So see you until next time. Tata, bye bye, see you.